Imagine having a powerful search tool right on your Windows desktop that feels as intuitive as Google's own search engine. Well, that's exactly what Google is currently experimenting with. A new search application designed specifically for Windows users. According to a recent blog post, this innovative app is now accessible to personal accounts through Google's Search Labs, and it introduces a convenient Alt+Space shortcut that allows you to search for information, not only from your local files, but also from your Google Drive and the vast expanse of the web. This app features a straightforward installation process, reminiscent of Chrome, requiring users to sign in to access its functionalities. One of the standout features is the integration of Google Lens, which enhances your search experience by allowing you to select images directly from your screen and even translate text. For instance, if you're stuck on a math problem in your homework, you can highlight it and ask Google's AI mode for assistance in finding the solution. Much like the Spotlight feature on Mac, which helps users navigate through files, applications, and online content, Google's new app offers a similar experience for Windows users. While Windows has had its own search capabilities for some time, recent enhancements, such as the introduction of Copilot Plus, have significantly improved its functionality. Once you download the app, a search bar will appear on your desktop, which you can easily move around and resize to fit your preferences. If you want to minimize the search bar, simply press Alt+Space. Additionally, the app allows you to toggle AI mode on or off and customize the shortcut for opening the app by clicking on your profile picture and selecting the configuration options. Currently, you can test out this exciting new app by enabling the experiment in Google Labs. However, it's important to note that it is only available in English and for users located in the United States. To use it, you'll need a PC running Windows 10 or a later version. As of September 16th, more details about the app have been added, further enhancing its appeal. What do you think about Google's latest venture into the Windows ecosystem? Is this a game changer for desktop search tools, or do you believe existing solutions are sufficient? Share your thoughts in the comments.